Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is operation on numbers. So in this one, the subtopic is multiplication, which is up to the 5-digit numbers by the 3-digit number multiplication. So this video is examples to understand exactly the multiplication. Then we are going to see some example to understand the multiplication. So here question number 1. 103 multiplied by 99. Now in this one we can split this 103. The very nearest which is the 100. Okay, so 100 plus 3, okay, multiply by with 99. We can split like this one also to easy multiplication, or 103 multiply by 99 and then carry out our multiplication as earlier explained, like this one. This is also one method, and this is also. So this 99 multiply by 3 and 99 multiply by 100. So 100, this will be the keeping the same. Okay, this addition will be the like this one, and this 99 multiply by with 100 also, because we are splitting this 103 in two numbers, okay, in addition. So this addition will keep as it is, and this multiplication will be multiplied by with 103 separately. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 99. Now here two zeros here means 99 and then 20. Okay, plus now 3 multiplied by this 99. Now in this one you can multiply by separately by 99 multiply by 3 like this one. Okay, or we can say 99 is very near to the 100 multiplied by 3. Now this we can easily calculate. So this is the 300, but this is a one lesser than this 100, means 1 multiplied by 3, 3 is there. So from this one 3 has to be deducted because this is a lesser, so product will be also the lesser one. Okay, so here 1 multiplied by 3 and here 100 multiplied by 3, 3000. So this will be the 297, because here the 3 lesser, here 1 lesser. Okay, and so here 3 lesser because we are multiplied by with 3. Okay, so after this one the 297. Okay, so now we are making the addition. 0 plus 7, 7, then 0 plus 9, 9. After this one 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 here, 1 carry that, 1 plus this 9, 10. So 10,197, and this is given in option number 2. Like this one also you can do the multiplication or directly multiply by these two numbers. This is also the one method, and this is also the one method, another, by the splitting. So that the approach is to save our time, but the answer should be perfectly we will get it. Okay, to because in an exam we don't have much time to make it the calculation, or we can say the long time consuming method. Okay, so try to understand this one and make it the practice for this one. Make the splitting method, or we can say the distribution method. Okay, so distribution means always be make the round up. Okay, the 100 multiply by something we can do. Okay, so we are going to make the nearest to the 100. So after the 100, 3 is there separately, so this will be split up 103 in 100 and plus 3 likewise. Now we will move to the question number 2. 111 multiplied by 11 is equals to 37 multiplied by with this empty box multiplied by with 11. Now 11 is as it is here, so means 111 is split in two numbers, or we can say the in product. Okay, so 37 multiplied by with something, of course we will get the 111, because here the equal sign is shown, means this product is equals to the this product. Okay, but here 11 will be as it is, means that is the 111 is split in these two multiplications. Okay, okay, so either 111 is equals to 37 multiplied by with something number. So what exactly that number is there? As we know, 37 multiply by with, if we calculate with a 4 suppose, or we can say it a 3. Okay, 3, because 30 here, 30 multiply by 3, 90 comes, which is very near. So we will first try for the 3. So 3 sevens are 21. So 1 here and 2 will be carried. Actually it should be in mind. 3 multiply by 3, 9, plus this 2, 11, means that is a correct. So 3 should be there. So that's why on empty this box must be 3. So and this 3 is kept in option number 2. Now question number 3, 709 multiplied by with this 1/10. 1/10 means what? 1/10 means we know 1/10 is equals to 10. Okay, means because this 1 will keep on a tens place, so unit place will be the 0. Okay, so means any number if we are multiplying now here 709 multiply by with 10, what will happen? This 0 will keep at the unit place and this complete number with kept at this tens place, means this 9 will be at the tens and this 0 and 7 will move to the next places. So here 0 and here 7, so this 7090 and this 7090 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 4, 15t multiplied by this 90t. 15t means like a same in previously also 15t means here we will keep the 0. Okay, we are not making now always be multiplied by with 10. Now we understand what exactly the concept. So 15t means 15 multiplied by with this 10. Okay, so we will get the 150. Now onwards we will orally we will try to solve out our small examples, okay, very quickly to save our time. So 150 multiplied by with this 90, because 90 means same like a 9 multiplied by this and 10, so it will comes the 90. Now this product we have to do. So now how to do this one? So this 1 and this 2, so these two zeros are there. Okay, so we will keep it this 20. In multiplication, if suppose here the 10 multiplied by with 10, so which is the 10 multiplied by 10? We know this 100, means this 2 and this 2 will be added in a unit place and the tens place. Added means is which is a replacing. Okay, and this 1 multiplied by 1 which is kept in a after this 2 unit, after this 0 maintain at the places. Okay, so here 0 and this 0 will kept at the unit and tens respectively. After this one, this 15 and this 9 is there, so 15 nines are 135, so this 135 will kept as it is, means complete number will be the 13,500. 13,500, but these are the 20 means what? 20 means here the in terms of the 100, so can we replace this one in terms of the 100? Means h is there. Okay, means 100 place, so this will be completely on a 100 place. Okay, means like this one 135 h. This also we can, in this way also we can note down or we can say write down. So this is given in option number 1. So this example is very important. Please understand this one, how we are making the multiplication. Okay, so t means 10. Okay, here also t means 10. So 15 multiplied by 10 we get the 150. 9 multiplied by 10 we get the 90. Now 150 multiplied by this 90, in this one here also 10 is there, here also 10 is there. Either we will separately 150 by 10 and multiply by with 9 multiplied by 10. So in this one I just note down here 15 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Like this one also we can do. Now this multiplication we will do separately, and we know 10 multiplied by 10 100, so 100 multiplied by this multiplication we will do. So this is a 135. Now this is a 100 means we will keep 100 like this one. Okay, 135 and 100. Okay, so this product will be also the same 135 00, and this product will also be same meaning. Okay, so this is also the another way to understand. So this another method, or we can say another way of to find out in the number, and this is the another. Okay, so 150 by 90 means this 20 we will kept at as it is like this one. Okay, as I previously explained. So please understand these examples, this is very important. Now question number 5, 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 6. Now in this one all are the in multiplication, but here the 0 is multiplying. We know any number multiplied by with 0, the product will be the 0. Okay, we already learned this one, property of the 0. So the answer will be the 0. Now question number 6, which of the following method is used to write down 860? Means which method from this option 4 the product will be get 860. Now in this one, this option number 1 860 multiplied by with 1 unit. 1 unit means what? 1 unit means at the unit place there is a 1, means multiply by with 1. So any number multiply by with the number, the product will get that self number, means the same here also, means this option is the correct one. Now here 86 means 86 multiplied by this 1000. This is 1000 means here 86 multiplied by this 1000. Now here the three zeros are there. Means 86 will replace this 1 means 86, and this all the zero will remain as it is. Okay, or you can do this multiplication. Okay, so this 86,000, but we required 860, so this is incorrect one. And then 860 already this one, and multiply by again this 10 means it will goes more than this one, so this option is incorrect one. And here 86 multiplied by this 100 means it will comes the 86, and then 100 means this 20, but we required 860, so this option also incorrect one. Now question number 7, how many times the number 25 is added to 25 to get 625? So in this one, if we added this 25 something times, then we get the 625. But we know this 25 square is the 625. 25 multiplied by 25, we know 625 means 25 square, we get the 625. Means how many times we have to add this 25? We have to add 25 times, then we get this one. Okay, addition of the number, or we can say repetitive additions, means that is a multiplication of that, counting how much times that is getting repeated. That is the meaning of this multiplication. So 25 means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 8, which number of the following is nearest to the 3000? Now nearest to the 3000 means this product of this shown in option number 1, it should be near to the 3000, or we can say any options having the product which is should be the nearest to the 3000. Now here 30 multiplied by this 31, so we know this 31 multiplied by 3, it should be the 93, and then this 0 means 930, but which is not nearer to the 3000, so this option should not be. After this one 303 multiplied by this, now in this one this 0 will be comes at the unit place, so this will be the 0 means 3030. This is very near. Well, okay, we will keep it, but this is not the same like this one, so possibly this option should. But here we will check 3000 multiplied by this 100 means how much? 3000 multiplied by this 300 means this 20 also we have to maintain, so this is a 30,000, so it should not be. Now here 3000 multiplied by this 10, so this comes 3000 multiplied by this 10 means this 10 0 also has to be maintained at the unit place, means this is the 30,000. So these are the very far away, and nearest is this one 3030, and nearest to the 3000, so that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 9, if 38 mangoes are in one basket, then how many mangoes are there in 2030 baskets? Now in one basket how many mangoes? 38 mangoes. So how many baskets are there? Total 2003 baskets multiplied with how many mangoes in one basket? There is a 38, so number of basket multiplied with number of mangoes in one basket, so the product will get the total number of the mangoes. Okay, so 8 should be 0, 8 3s are 24, 4 will be here, 2 will be carried, 8 multiplied by 0 0, then 2 will be as it is here. Now 8 2s are 16. Okay, so 0 as it is here at the unit 1 here. Now 3 0 0, 3 multiplied by 3 9, then 3 multiplied by this 0 0, 3 multiplied by this 2, it should be the 6. Okay, so we have to do the addition. This one will be the 0, this will be the 4, then 11 1 here, then 6 plus 1 7, and then this 1 plus 6, it should be the 7, means 77,140, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 10, which of the following multiplication is wrong? Now we have to carry out all this multiplication. Okay, so student, here the one things we can do wrong, we have to find out wrong one. So in this one, if you see, there is a one terms, means this is the nearest to the 5000, and this one is 40. Okay, so 5000 multiplied by this 40, here actually only the 2000 is mentioned. We know 5 multiplied by 4, it comes the 20. Okay, but here 5000 means 3, after this three places are here, means after this 20 there must be the 3 places. but here only the 2000 mentioned. So that's why on a just over visual basis we can guess this, that this option number 3 is a incorrect one. Or another way, every multiplication we can find out and then we can declare which is the wrong one. Okay, so student, all the multiplication you have to do as per our sequence and then you can find out. So at the last you will find out the option number 3 is the incorrect one. Now, question number 11. In the bundle of rupees 100 notes, few notes are there. Which of the following is not the total value of the bundle? So, in question, mention that few notes are there. The total quantity of the notes are not given. Okay, but the one note value is given, means 100 rupees note. And the following is not the total value of the bundle. See, so here is not is mentioned, means out of these four options, so value of this total bundle is mentioned, but out of these four which should not be. So now we will check, as there is a 35,000, then option number 2 4,900, option 3 9,400, and option 4 8,540. Okay, so option 1, 2 and 3, everywhere the unit and the tens place have the 0 0, but in option number 4 there is only 0 at the unit place, but at the tens place there is a 4 mentioned. Okay, now come to our question. There is a 100 rupees note. Okay, suppose there are the 50 notes. So 50 notes means what is the value of the bundle? So 50 multiplied by one value of the note is 100 rupees. So multiply by this 100 and that comes, so 5,000. Okay, means after the 50, okay, tens and the units place 20 will be maintained. Okay, means because of this 100 multiplication. Same like if in a bundle, if there is a 75 notes, if there is a 75 notes, so value of that 75 notes bundle is 75 multiplied by this 100, means in a amount of this total bundle is 750 and 0, means at the tens and the unit will be 0 maintained, and then this 75 will maintain at the hundreds and the thousands place respectively for 5 and 7 digit. Likewise, means if suppose there is any notes of there in bundle for the rupees 100, so value of this bundle must be 0 at the unit place and another 0 at the tens place, means there are the 20 in that number. So in option number 1 there are the 20 at unit and tens respectively, and option number 2 also there are the 20 at the unit and tens. Option number 3 there are also the 20 at the unit and the tens 10. But in option number 4 if you see only 10 is there, and after this one at the tens 4 mentioned, means 40 is there. Okay, so option number 4 is different. Even 100, if you multiply this 100 with any quantity of the notes, there should not be 40 comes. Okay, means tens 4 and unit place will be the 0. This number will never comes in terms of the 100 or in the multiplication of the 100. So that's why, as per the question asking which of the following is not the total amount, so option number 4 8,540 is not the value or total value of the bundle. So that's why this term, or we can say this option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 12. 4 5 4 5 and then star is mentioned, multiply with 4 5 and then star mentioned, means star here maintain at the unit place, both multiplicand and multiplier. Now in this multiplication, if the same digit is at the place star, then which digit will not come at the unit place? Now here multiplication means, of course,ly the meaning of this question is after the product also, means something digits are there at the unit place, there must be the star. Now from the options we have to choose the digit which will not come at the unit place, means this star which digits should not becomes. Now 1 multiplied by 1 is there, means in option number 1 this can be. Okay, this can be. Now for the option number 2, if we put the 2 is here and 2 will be of course at the star, of course at the product also be 2 has to be maintained. But if we check 2 multiplied by 2, there should be the 4, means at the product there should be the 4, there should not be star, means this digit should not becomes. Okay, now we will check further for the 6. So 6 will comes here, 6 will comes in at the 6 also, at the unit place also of the multiplication should becomes. So just check 6 multiplied by 6, 36, means 36 means at the unit here should be the 6. Okay, means this digit can be. Then 5, we know the 5 multiplied by 5, 25, means at the unit place there should be the 5, means 5 can also become, and 5 here maintain, 5 here maintain, means 5 also we can. But in our question asking digit will not come, means this one. So option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 13. The cost of building toilet for one home is rupees 23,992. What is the cost of one toilet? That is the for one home, one toilet, means that is the cost of the one toilet. So 23,992. Okay. Then what is the expenditure for building 35 toilets? So total 35 toilets has to be built. Okay. This cost of building means what? This is also the expenditures. These are the two another word is using here. Okay. Building means what? This is the building means the construction. Okay. So the meaning is here, to construct the one toilet for one home, means one toilet, this much expenditure, or we can say this much amount is required. Okay, so for the 35 toilet, how much? So this multiplication has to do. So after this multiplication you will get this product. Okay, means this is the amount of the expenditure of 35 toilets. So please student do this multiplication as per our multiplication way. Okay, then question number 14. If we multiply the number by 14 instead of 9, the product is increased by 75. So suppose there is a something number is there. Okay, so multiply by with 14, the product will get something here. Okay, but instead of the 14 we are multiply by with the 9, so the product will increase, this product will increase with the 75. Okay, so this number will be the same here, but the multiplicand is different one. Now instead of 14 the 9 is used, means what is the difference of 14 and 9? Here the 5. Okay, so the product is maintaining, or we can say the increasing by 75, means that is a something that times, so means that is a in terms of this multiplication of the 5 times. Okay, means because the differences. So how to find out this number? Okay, or we can say what is the this number we can say. So 75 divided by 5, so 75 divided with this 5 we can do. So 5 1 the 2, 5 5 means 15. So this 15 should be this number. 15 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 15. The one shopkeeper bought 90 dozen notebooks at the rate of rupees 205. Now at the rate means what? At the rate means this is the rate of the 1 dozen notebooks. Okay, but he has bought 90 dozen notebooks, means on a same rate. Okay, per dozen. Okay, here the mention per dozen. Then what will be the total cost of the notes? So this is the cost of the rate is there, means for a 1 dozen. Okay, 1 dozen 205. So there are the total 90, means 205 multiply with this 90. Okay, so this product means 0 will be as it is here. Okay, so 0 0 0 we will maintain. Then at the tens place means this 0, then 9 9 5 are 45. So 5 here 4 will carry in mind. So 9 0 0, and then 4 means 4 will be here. 9 to the 18, so 18 here. Now we have to add 0, this 5, then 4, then 8 1. So this is the 18,450, means option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.